Hey everyone! How's it going? My name is Henry. In this video, I'm going to share everything you need to know about Alpha Tonic before you decide to buy it. I also have some important warnings for you, so make sure to watch this video until the end to avoid wasting your money. First and foremost, beware of where you buy Alpha Tonic. This product is only sold on the official website. To make things easier for you, I've included the official website link in the video description and pinned it in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to share my experience and help you determine whether Alpha Tonic really works. What is Alpha Tonic? Alpha Tonic is a men's health supplement designed to restore energy, stamina, and vitality. It's formulated with natural ingredients that have been used for generations and scientifically proven to address key health concerns. One of its unique benefits is that Alpha Tonic combats harmful chemicals that negatively impact male hormones. This makes it an effective anti-aging formula that helps men regain strength and confidence. Made with premium herbal extracts, Alpha Tonic is processed under strict quality control in FDA-registered and GMP-compliant facilities. Plus, it's 100% natural, vegan, non-GMO, and free from stimulants or harmful chemicals. How does Alpha Tonic work? Alpha Tonic works by fighting hormone-disrupting chemicals that can weaken male health. These harmful chemicals are found everywhere, in water supplies, food packaging, bottle caps, and more. This supplement acts as a powerful shield, blocking these dangerous chemicals and restoring hormonal balance. Its potent nutrient-rich formula helps boost energy and stamina, improve strength and vitality, support healthy blood circulation, reduce cravings and aid in weight management. So, if you are looking for a natural way to enhance your male health, Alpha Tonic could be the solution for you. That's it for this review. If you've tried Alpha Tonic, let me know your experience in the comments below. And don't forget, the official link is in the description and pinned comment. See you in the next video.